Yeah.
And good morning, everyone. Today is Vlogmas day 11. Okay, so today I really don't plan on doing anything because like I damn near skipped out on the one class I had. Only because like all I need is to grab those sheets and then I'm done. And what else? Everything is pretty much done with school. Like I think today's like my last day, my last like real day before his finals. And I'm gonna take one test today, like regular test, like probably later on today, and I'm gonna take one tomorrow because I know I have two for psychology 3, and then psychology 7 right now, the class I'm supposed to go to, we have a final coming up. Let's find out exactly when is that, by the way. Probably most likely next week. And then I already told you about that biology class, and my English class is like that's already handled. Like that's handled. Like my English class is good. The only thing I need to do is do those chapter readings and a discussion, and then that's it. Like that's literally it. So other than that, yeah, everything's turned in. So I'm so proud of myself when it comes to my other 3 classes. Like I did a really good job. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and go to school and see what the update is, and then I'll probably see you guys later. I'm gonna cook. Maybe I can, you know, show you guys me cooking my healthy meal, and then I'm gonna go to work, and then that's it. Like that's all you're gonna really see. We got our tree yesterday. That's a good thing, but I don't know if we're going to decorate it today because I won't be here to help them decorate it. So yeah, I will see you guys later. My outfit, like I just threw stuff on. Okay, straight out of Stockton, of course. Then I got these sweats on, and y'all see my shoes? Like I don't know if y'all know, but this is like Mickey Mouse, like thick old slippers. Like you can actually walk around. Like has like the little stuff. Basically, it's like half slippers, half socks. So like they're a little thick for these little shoes, you know what I'm saying? But you know, your girl getting it together. Not really. It's finals. I already told y'all, like the first 2 weeks of this Vlogmas, it ain't gonna be much. It ain't gonna be none of that fancy stuff and all. I'm giving y'all real life, okay? I'm giving y'all 25 days of vlogs, and that's including my finals and college and stress and tears and you know, that makes a lot of sense. Like I wish you guys could like watch my other vlogs. Like I don't cry, I'm not a crybaby, but like man, like school just be stressing me out. Like dang. Oh, by the way, so I went on this like non-cussing flea or free, whatever, non-cussing spring. There you go. So like I'm gonna try to stop cussing completely. Like completely. Like I cuss a lot, not really. Like sometimes I have my moments where I don't cuss at all. Then I have my moments where like I cuss like a sailor, and I feel like I just need to pick a side. And I think like, you know, I already do enough sinning in life to the point where it's like, girl, at least you can stop cussing so dang much. So it's a work in process. But other than that, look at you. Love how I was just talking to you, and I'm giving you guys the beautiful scene. Thank your girl later. Anyway, so yeah, I definitely. Ooh. Okay, so I'm thinking about my birthday party. Like I still want to have it. Let's be real. So, but I don't think I'm broke. Let's be real. So I got too much things to pay for, and let's not say the brokenness, but I'm broke. I got too many things to pay for. So I was thinking maybe I should move. My birthday's on December 28th, which is a Friday, and I was thinking maybe just moving my party because I want it to be like family and friend oriented. Like, you know, just like people around, like really nice and like nothing like, it's not a turn up like my 21st. I just think about making that to the 29th on a Saturday, and then on the 28th just like have a little family dinner, you know. So instead of going to the club, my original plan was to have my little family oriented party on Friday, and on Saturday I was gonna turn up. Your girl needs some money, so anybody got time for to be turning up on a Saturday? Like, not to no club, not paying no VIP, and then you know, I want to do the whole thing, but it's like, let's wait till we're 25. Like I can wait 2 more years. Like it's okay. I'm not gonna die. So, and I just honestly can't afford it right now. Let's just be real. So yeah, that is the update. I'm thinking about doing that. Maybe I'm gonna message some people, but the main people I really want to be there. See how they feel about being there Saturday instead of Friday. And if they with it, then. And if my cousin's with it, then. I don't see what the problem is. But I'm like super late to this class, y'all. Super late. But as long as I'm going in and grabbing them sheets, we're gonna be all good. Because it's just presentation. It's not like a lecture where she's teaching. Everybody just have like their little topic. They talk about it, present it, in a handout. The handouts have all the information from the presentation, so then, so yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, like I'm back in my car. I hope nobody's waiting for me. Okay, cool. I'm back in my car, and yeah, we're just gonna go cook real quick. That car accident I got into yesterday, I'm thinking a dude is not covered by the girl, so I'm gonna wait and see if somebody's called me, and I'm gonna ask them if the dude Brian, ooh, I don't mean to put his name out there. There's a whole bunch of Brians. It's covered by Tiffany. Let's just say her name is Tiffany, because yeah, you never know. Like, I don't know if you guys know about California rules. If somebody gets in a car accident and they're not driving their vehicle, like they're not covered by this vehicle, then it doesn't get covered at all. So we're gonna see about that, and yeah, I'm not gonna say I'm hope that he's not covered by that car, but I hope, because your girl's broke. Another thing is, yeah, I'm trying to figure out my party situation and everything like that, and I will see you guys later. There's a steak right here. You know, I'm left-handed, so this may look retarded. This is what I'm eating. Super bomb, super good. I totally forgot to record. What a fail. But I'm actually gonna make avocado toast and fried egg when I get to my job. So I'm gonna make the avocado here and make the fried egg over there. So yummy. My rice is done. Okay, honey. Where did I put my I already know. Like, I'm about to just use the crap out of this. Oh, it's puffing. It's puffing up, honey. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. I don't know how pretty this looks right now. Just a little bit. So since my rice is done, I'm going to go ahead and, where is my food? I'll go ahead and got it. Yeah, like we live in an apartment, so it's like really small for me. Real quick. Well, that's interesting. So nice double, huh? I think it's time for me to flip it over. Flip that over. That was this rice. So this is, I can even show you guys right now. So I really need to flip this over. Ooh, an assignment has been graded. For my class, y'all, I'm gonna have to check that. This is the avocado toast with egg on top. I'll have to give this to my mom. So I'm just like at work and I'm just looking how pretty and beautiful this is. due to like not having Wi-Fi, it's hard for me to upload these videos. Like y'all know I was consistent every day. Like these videos is ready. I'm recording them on time, but it's like, y'all. By the way, it's 6 in the morning and it's pretty much, I'm just gonna end my last vlog because I didn't even end it. Like I fell asleep. I was so tired. I'm about to get up, take me a nice shower, and honestly I have 2 tests due today and I have work, so I'm not really doing anything. I'm gonna cook later, but that's about it. Like nothing really special. I literally have to deal with him. So let's see. This is ridiculous. But yeah, now I actually want to like wash my hair and then like I want to wash my hair and of course my body, and I want to like start straightening my room, my life, try to get my life back together. So, and then just pray that everything goes well, y'all. I'm sorry I got y'all at that weird angle. Like, girl, what are you doing? Like, but it's like 5:30 in the morning. So, yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog, and then like after I take a shower and everything, I'll be like, good morning guys, it's day, yada yada yada, you know. So like, yeah, have a good day.